a PIM system, product information management system, into the mix alongside of Salesforce.com, we have a single source of authority that pulls all of that information from those different systems and that makes available through Salesforce an immediate real-time window into what can I sell today and what's on reserve that I might be able to sell if I can get the customer to commit quickly. And now they have that, and they don't have to go through all those multiple systems in order to do that.
Right.
So a large part of this project was the integration, putting together all of this information from all of these different systems so that the data that's on the website, the products that are available on the website and reserved on the website are the same products that are available to the sales rep or reserved by the sales rep, or the same products that the closing team has in their closing documents are the same products that the team that's looking at the assessment of the used equipment has. And so all of a sudden, all of these things that were dispersed throughout the organization are in one location, and I can access them through my single system, and I can update it in that system. If I want to reserve it, I now reserve it in my Salesforce.com. It triggers that it's reserved in my DIS system, which is my ERP system. It's reserved on the website, and all of that happens by PIM sort of sitting in the middle of all of that and controlling that flow of data.